Good morning to all. Myself, Dr. Aruna here. I am going to take one topic from aerospace propulsion subject for second year, fourth semester. And title of the unit is Introduction to Aircraft Propulsion. So today we are going to uh, talk about the introduction to propulsion. So what is meant by propulsion? Propulsion, it is used to propel the forces to drive or cause to move or forward or onward. So in that propulsions, we going to study about the propelling forces and what are the body involved for this propulsions. These are all things we are going to discuss in this topic. So in that aerospace propulsion is the process of generating thrusters to move an aircraft or spacecraft through the air or space. It is a key part of air power and has been a driving forces being the development of military aviation. So in that propulsions, it will be works under the Newton's third law of motion. So this system accelerates a gas working fluid in one directions. And the reactions to this acceleration create forces in the opposite directions, propelling the vehicle in forward. Amount of thrust generated depending on the mass of flow and the exit velocity of the gas. These are all the working principle of propulsion. So in that propulsions, it can be classified into three types. One is called as propellers. So here they are using the moving to the air to create the thrust. And next one is the jet and rocket propulsion system. So in that cases, there are the many type of engines are available like turboprop, turbofan, turbojet, ramjet, pulse jet, and piston engines, and some scramjet engines. These are all the engines are available in these cases. Next one is the electric propulsion. So in that electric propulsions, they are using the electromagnetic waves. It will be utilized for this propulsion. So in that propulsions, it will be useful for the aerospace industries, military aviation sector, and flight. These are all the things it will utilize. And the next one is in that propulsions, it can be classified into two types. One is called as the air breathing propulsion, another one is non-air breathing propulsion. So in that air breathing propulsions, it includes reciprocating engines, turbojet engines, turbofan, ramjet, turboprop, and turbosub. So in that reciprocating engines, it is also called as a piston engines. Like it's the working principle of the reciprocating engines is same as IC engines. And the next one is a non-air breathing engine. So in the non-air breathing engines, it will be utilized for the spacecraft only. So in that cases, the engines, it includes the rocket motor, nuclear propulsion system, electric propulsion system. So in that non-air breathing engines, it can be classified into liquid propulsion system and hybrid system and solid propulsion system. So in that basic concept of one-dimensional gas dynamics and analysis and performance of air breathing system, analysis of gas turbine engine components. So next we are going to discuss about the aircraft propulsion and its engine type. So in that cases, we are going to take two different type of engines in propulsion cases. The first one is the piston engine, and second one is the gas turbine engine. So in the piston engines, they are using the avgas gases. In the gas turbine engine, they are using the aviator fuels. So in that piston engines, they are using the fins. So in that fins, it will be utilized to reduce the formation of heat during the running time. So in that gas turbine engines, there is no fins they are using. So here they are using the nozzle. In that nozzle, it will be used for the cooling purpose.